Hi, welcome to my channel about robotics, fischertechnik and embedded systems. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail on the bottom right corner. This video is obviously about my robotic arm with pneumatic hand, and with the last convention, last two conventions actually, one week after another, there turned out to be a few problems. One is that the pneumatics is a bit flaky, then the timing of the switch between the yaw and the roll is a bit flaky. Also, the construction right here is not quite as it should be. I hope I have already solved that, but I need to test that. The 2 seconds right here is not optimal because the sensor is not being pressed all the time or every time. So there are a few things that need some attention. And one of the things that I want to start with this time is the pneumatics. So why is the pneumatics engine working, but are the fingers not responding when the switch is being pressed? So that is what I want to start with, and all the rest comes later. And in order to test, I have to remove the supports on both sides and then activate my program, because the diagnostics software has a bit of a problem activating all activations. So actuators, sensors, etc. So in order to do that, let me just start with that. And before I really start, you know that I have two cameras, one from the outside like this one and one eye in hand. So I'm going to show screencast so that I can show both cameras on screen, as well as diagnostic software and the output of the code. Alright, screencast with two cameras, Diagnostics Interface, Python and output screen, as well as the various schematics. But most importantly right now is right here the hand as well as the compression engine. And with the compression engine I found a problem because it's ticking rather hard, and turns out that one of the parts of the wheel, the gear actually, is sticking against the, how do you call it, the holding part in which the gear is rotating. So I need to add something to keep the distance. So let me point the camera to that and see how I can fix it. So with the camera now pointed to the gears, or gear actually, and motor with compression chamber, let's put these three things, I hope that's sufficient or maybe too much even, right in here, so everything stays safe on the construction site. With this fix, I hope, done, I have yet to test it. In hindsight I realized I should have enlarged this camera view, but it's the way it is. Now I need to test it, and I'm going to use the Diagnostics Interface for that. So let's run it at full speed. well, one change, there's absolutely no picking anymore, which is a relief. The only question is, will it be sufficient for the pneumatics to work? And for that, I also need, well, and that's the point, I also need the valves to work. Let me see, right here. These are the ordinary ones, listening to motor 1, as input, but they are being switched, of course. That's motor 3. Okay, so yeah. Which other one? Motor 3. This is motor. Oh wait, that's true. 5, 6, and 7. They're all apart. So and there goes the motor again. There's lost contact. So that's a problem. Right, so the fact that this happens and then the motor comes free of the gear, it means that I have to find a way, obviously, to make sure that this one is connected here somewhere, and that this doesn't come free. So I need to put something here and to put something here. It doesn't make it any easier, but that's the only way to do it, I think. Right, after this reconstruction, these schematics show that these knobs 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are for the valves. So that's what I'm going to do. And the next question is then that the wiring goes from right here, or actually to right here, but through the arm all the way down to the base and then ultimately to the controllers. And at first you can of course lift the wires, but I've done that a couple of times, and each time by the weight of the complete wiring it pulls back again. So I need to find a way to keep them where they are after lifting, and that is proving to be a challenge, but I'll have to do it anyway. So this is the end point, and right now I can pull some wires and some I cannot. So this one is not a problem, this one is not a problem, also not a problem, and down here also, and this is a little bit of a problem, and that's with the little finger. So, and I need some flexibility in it, or some length in it, and then all fingers can go. So let's do it again with the diagnostics. And of course I need then the motor to run, which makes a lot of noise. So it would be, I hear the valve ticking, but it has no effect since the pressure is gone. So basically it just works out, and I hope that the reconstruction is also holding off or holding out, how do you call it? So yeah, let's test again. Okay, so with this test it has shown that 2 out of 5 fingers do not respond to opening the valves from the compressor, while the compressor is continuously working out now. I haven't tested the fingers, but those should be alright, by the way, and it is the same thing perhaps here that I can test them. It's either one or the other, but no matter which one I try, it doesn't matter right now, because I do it now mechanically with the motor and with the valves motorized, and that is not working out. So there's a problem to find out, to diagnose and to test further. But that's something for next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can also support this channel by donating via PayPal or Ko-fi, or by becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. This is obviously going to be continued. Please also take a look at my website for more fischertechnik projects and other embedded systems projects. For now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.